Children, question number 5 from Bayes' theorem. This at times create confusion, so I'm discussing that here. A laboratory blood test is 99% effective in detecting a certain disease when it is in fact present. Means disease है and वो test भी positive आता है. So that happens 99% times. However, test also yields a false positive result of 0.5% of a healthy person tested. मीन्स कि डिजीज नहीं है, पर्सन इज हेल्दी, डिजीज नहीं है, बट उसका टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आ गया है. दैट हैपन्स इन 0.5% केसेस. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ इफ 0.1% of the population actually has the disease, what is the probability that a person has the disease given that his test result is positive? Okay, so again इन बेयर्स थ्योरम हमें एक तो जो गिवन कंडीशन होती है वो हमारा इवेंट होता है, लाइक इट इज़ गिवन दैट द टेस्ट रिजल्ट इज़ पॉजिटिव, तो वो हमारा ए बन जाएगा. देन वी सी कि विच आर द डिफरेंट वेज पॉसिबल पार्टीशनिंग हो सकती है जिससे पूरे सैम्पल स्पेस की, विच आर द पॉसिबल केसेस इट कैन अकर. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. द पर्सन will have the disease and will not have the disease. Okay, so we will consider these as our events. A, the test result is positive, जो given condition होती है. Given that, this question, given that his test result is positive, so A will be taken as test result is positive. And then in the whole population we can have either, there are only two possibilities in this case, person has the disease or the person does not have the disease. 3-4 होती है तो हम E1, E2, E3 बोलते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे क्योंकि दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट्स हैं, सो आई हैव गिवन इट द सिंबल. लेट ई डिनोट दैट द पर्सन हैज़ द डिजीज एंड द अदर ऑप्शन लेफ्ट इज ही डज नॉट हैव द डिजीज. ओके, सो ई कॉम्प्लीमेंट से डिनोट कर दिया बिकॉज दे वर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. ओके, नाउ दिस वॉज गिवन टू यू if 0.1% of population actually has the disease. Okay, so person has the disease, so that was given to us as possibility 0.1%. So that means probability of E having the disease is 0.1%, means 0.1 upon 100, 2 decimal shift हो गए 0.001. ओके, एंड दूसरा इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट है, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है तो 1 माइनस करके मिल जाएगी प्रोबेबिलिटी, आपको देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. राइट, सो 1 माइनस द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द पर्सन हैज़ द डिजीज विल गिव यू हाउ मेनी डू नॉट हैव द डिजीज. सो पीपल do not have the disease is 0.999. Fine. Then it was said here now in the question that 99% effective. The result was 99% effective. का मतलब था कि डिजीज है एंड टेस्ट भी पॉजिटिव आया है, मीन्स probability of A after E1. The person tested positive when disease is there. So that will be probability of A after E1. Person has the test is positive when person has the disease, which is given to you in the question as 99% in detecting a certain disease when the person in fact has the disease. Right? So 99% means 0.99. That's the probability. Then it was further said that false result आ रहा है 0.5 cases में for a healthy person. Healthy person means person does not have the disease and but result positive आ गया है, means A by E dash. So probability of A by E dash, false positive result is 0.5%, which becomes 0.005. Okay. So बस यहाँ तक understanding and tracing all these probabilities, that's your task. If once that is done, then the question is not a problem really. Okay, then after that we know we were interested in finding probability that the person is having the disease given that the result came out to be positive. So having the disease means probability of E and given क्या था upon या by A test was positive. So we are actually interested in finding probability of E after A, which by Bayes' theorem, I haven't written it children, you will write it. Okay, by Bayes' theorem will be probability of A after E upon probability of E into probability of A after E plus probability of maybe E dash and probability of A after E dash. That was another possibility. Okay, so this question is important board के point of view से children, this topic I should say, Bayes' theorem, and इसमें systematically you get marks for like I have done it for highlighting the events, for analyzing क्या हमारा A है, क्या E बनना चाहिए, क्या E2 बनना चाहिए, E3 बनना चाहिए, depends upon कैसी partitioning है as per the question. Then for finding these probabilities individually, तो properly lay down. First job is to highlight the events. Second is to find these probabilities. सबके अलग अलग step marking होती है, okay? Then followed by 1 complete marks for just knowing कि okay Bayes theorem is this. तो ये formula आपने पहले लिखना है definitely, so that calculation में mistake भी हो तो you get your marks, okay? So anyhow, first you'll write the formula because 1 complete marks for just knowing the Bayes theorem, okay? And then now you can, your work is easy. आप calculation बचाएं, all the probabilities taken out, you can place them here and do your calculation and get your answer.